The next presentation will be by Manash Chaudhuri on the new applications. Manash Chaudhuri is a CEO and co-founder of Converge Enterprise Inc., a leading cloud CRM company. Manash is widely recognized for his visionary leadership and has over 19 years of experience in operations, sales, and project management.
Good morning or good afternoon or good evening to everyone, depending on what part of the world you are joining in for Business After Windows conference. Hello, I am Manash Chaudhuri, CEO of Converge Enterprise, a cloud-based all-in-one customer engagement platform for small and medium businesses. I have been in the IT industry for the past 19 years, and over this time had the opportunity to work on a lot of innovative technologies which shape today's enterprise world. First of all, I'd like to thank InfoStreet and Rick Chapman for organizing this event, and also like to thank all sponsors making this event possible. Today's topic is about innovation and how new application is shaping tomorrow's business. I'm sure you all will have a lot of questions after this presentation, and I want to let you know that I will be addressing them in our webinar on November 11th. In the next 15-20 minutes, I will be discussing what are new applications, why there is a sudden surge of new applications, business value, and some of the new applications that are on the horizon, which can quickly pick up significant market share. I'm sure it is a very basic information, and I will like to quickly go over some of those things. We typically broadly categorize the application as being consumer-focused or business-focused. In the consumer-focused, we talk about the B2C applications, which are generally sold to public through a number of direct or indirect channels. The emergence of the social web, the rapid adoption of the mobile devices, and the widespread adoption of collaboration tools have been the key drivers behind the rise of consumer apps. Some of the well-known consumer apps are Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, and many more. Similar to that, in terms of the B2B space or the business solution space, applications that are focused are for businesses to perform organizational functions accurately, say it be in the manufacturing, sales, support, or collaboration. Examples of some of those business applications are accounting softwares, office suites, ERP, MRP, logistics solutions, CRM, and many more. Now, let's talk about the question, why new applications in business? The main reason any of these new applications come in play is to either improve decision-making capabilities in business or get business problems solved faster. Let's start with the cost-saving part. When you talk about the cost saving, it's something we're talking about why it is needed. It's the money that gets saved that can be used for other activities. All employees refer to one common repository to access information. Data flow across the organization gets quicker and can be controlled to suit the requirements of the business. The next thing that we can get from the new application is the improved teamwork. In the improved teamwork, that leads to healthier customer interaction and increased customer responsiveness. Business applications fill in the gaps and orchestrate and streamline the assistant processes together, ensuring that they work in perfect unity. Another reason why new applications would be needed is the better management. Business save resources and control costs by running all critical functions from one platform. New age business applications can be easily integrated into the existing IT infrastructure of a business. And then we've talked about the flexibility and mobility. Using the new applications, businesses do not have to make drastic change to their framework, and within minutes they can get up and running with modern enterprise apps. Again, the main emphasis is the increased productivity and purpose-built solution. In terms of the business application growth, Gartner's latest worldwide IT spending forecast that enterprise software applications accounts to around $297 billion in 2013. In 2012, it has been around 278, so there is a change of around 6.4% growth. At $297 billion, enterprise software accounts for 7.89% of total worldwide IT spend. In 2017, Gartner predicts business application to show the biggest CAGR of 6.6%, resulting in an increased spend of $384 billion. Based on another research, market spends are increasing globally for new age applications. Some of the countries where it has been seen rapidly growing is Western Europe, Asia Pacific, and US. The primary sectors where the new applications are endorsed are operational efficiency, employee productivity, customer retention, customer relationship, sales, decision making, employee satisfaction, competitive advantage, and costs of doing business. The biggest game changer in today's world is the customer. We are in the age of customers, where customers are digitally empowered and companies need to innovate to survive and offer better sales and service to their customers. The main implications of achieving this are availability of the business across all channels at any hour of the day. This is very, very critical for 24/7 kind of an operation, which most of the businesses need today. A more personalized promotions, greater choice of products and services. As per IBM, business can no longer play their game of hide and seek. They need to be on their toes 24/7 to control the brand experience across multiple platforms. Now let's talk about what led to this sudden surge. If you really dwell deep in this question, why now, why so many new applications are seen nowadays, there are two primary motivators. One is the business drivers and another one is the technology drivers. In terms of the business drivers, we have seen lately there are a lot of accelerator programs, incubation hubs, crowdsourcing, which are helping young entrepreneurs to bring out their innovative solutions to market. And another big business driver is the acceptance. A lot of businesses are now open to the idea of having or seeing into new applications which can help manage their business better. Another point that we were talking about is the technology drivers. In terms of the technology drivers, we talk about the cloud technologies or the infrastructure solutions that is available through cloud. That has drastically brought down the total cost of ownership for building any kind of software in today's market. The usage of SaaS platforms is another big advantage point, which is helping a lot of these new applications to propel and come to market. There are a lot of easier acquisition model. When I talk about the easier acquisition model, is basically where we are seeing the collaborative manner in which the new applications are able to work with an existing enterprise solution. And then we talk about the SOA-based solution stack, where most of these new applications that we see in today's world are either coming up with their own API structures, and they're able to easily infuse with other leading solution providers and then create a one uniform application stack. And another point that is also helping in today's growth of new application is maturity in the technology stack, the uniformity of standards to some extent, uses of HTML5 or JavaScripts and few other things which are there in this application world, which is helping the businesses or new entrepreneurs to develop those solutions much faster. To retain competitive growth in this age, businesses acquire applications and work processes that are independent of any device or operating system. And this precisely is where we come across the new applications. A stark contrast to the earlier on-premise apps, new generation of applications are blending mobile and SaaS technologies to create a strong, independent workforce designed for today's on-the-go business professionals. The blend of mobile and SaaS technologies have turned out to be a revolutionizing aspect for businesses across verticals. According to statistics, new age applications are growing by leaps and bounds every year, an extremely valuable way for businesses to operate independently throughout any time and any location. It empowers a business to streamline organization, generate more prospects, and retain customers. As per the recent Gartner report, if you look at the new applications, the sectors where it is showing a lot of potential and growth is analytics and business intelligence, and then it's closely followed by mobile, cloud computing, collaboration, and CRM technologies. Worldwide trend shows since 1960 to 1995, Business were more focused in their operations, say it being the ERP, the MRP, the supply chain, or the supply chain based application to streamline. And then from 1995 to 2014, industries start focusing on the customer facing applications in the CRM, the social media. And from 2014 onwards, we are seeing a trend where businesses are looking for an integrated solution model. Today, companies in virtually in every industry are using sophisticated business software to fuel their growth. In spite of this, the success is not that great. Primary problem has been the disconnected functional systems causing business bottlenecks and employee productivity issues. This is allowing companies to look for the integrated business management suites. Transforming how companies run and enabling them to transcend growing pains that previously were holding them back from taking their business to the next level of profitable growth. Understanding the ongoing pain the SMB go through while cobbling together multiple discrete systems, integrated business software solutions, and then they have to always look for one uniform solutions to create a more streamlined customer lifecycle solution. This integrated management solution is also helping faster time to value, smooth business IT collaboration, reduced total cost of ownership, and customer experience. This is resulting into speed and agility to give businesses an edge over the competition. One such example is Converge Enterprise. Converge Enterprise is a cloud-based all-in-one customer engagement platform offering sales, marketing, customer service, and collaboration all under one easy-to-use platform. You will be able to use the same thing for your drip marketing, your marketing automation, your workflow engine, your notification process, mobile-facing solutions, and a lot many things under one roof. So on the similar note, many other companies are also evolving similar solution stack for businesses, which are helping the business to come up with a more easy and convenient way to approach the market. The best thing about new application is that they are very simple and easy to use. Users can use them whenever they want from any internet-enabled devices. Information is at the fingertips. Consumers have quick access to important features that help them perform activities seamlessly. And then finally, the instant notification. A consumer receiving notifications about special offers and promotions instantly. Direct personal connections get established, and consumers get bespoke kind of a service. The biggest movers in the new application is the mobile application or mobile side of the business. The growth in the markets in this market size is phenomenal. It has grown from 530 million downloads in 2008 to over 1.62 billion in 2013. Some of the interesting facts, although, are 64% of the mobile phone time worldwide is spent on enterprise applications. And out of that, 56% business owners worldwide have a smartphone, and 73% of them use enterprise apps on a daily basis. It is believed that the global market for enterprise mobility will reach $217 billion in 2018. Some of the areas where it will significantly grow is healthcare, logistics and transportation, manufacturing, distribution and wholesale, warehousing, and retail. Some of the benefits of using these enterprise mobile applications are saving time, because now using mobile apps to manage job duties saves nearly an hour a day of an employee's time. This directly results in saving time for higher valued work and saving money for the company. The access and availability of the data, the employee access information on the fly and generate and capture critical business information seamlessly through networks. Employees now build instant communication with clients, customers, and colleagues, responding to urgent requests, taking calls, and solving problems quickly. Employees can also keep up with their emails, share documents virtually, attend meetings or conferences at any time. Another important thing that came up with this mobile enterprise application is build your own device. Employees with mobile enterprise application benefit from the convenience of handheld devices, being able to manage their professional and personal tasks with ease at any time. As per telework research, 55% employees use their personal smartphone for work purposes, which indicates that more employees are willing to work on enterprise mobile apps using their own devices. Similar to mobile application, another new market which is fast growing is the Internet of Things. Kevin Ashton, a British technology pioneer in 1999, first visualized the concept of IoT or Internet of Things. His idea was where machines will have intelligent sensors which will be hooked to the web, and these sensors will gather data or data streams, constant data streams to a data warehouse. However, today Internet of Things have evolved from its original idea, and it's not just about gathering of data but also about its correct analysis. The concept has been in the works for a long time though. In 1982, David Nicholas with a group of students at Carnegie Mellon University Computer Science Department came up with this Internet Coke machine. From their labs, they could check the status of sodas in the vending machine so that they didn't have to waste time or making a trip to the machine to find it empty. Based on the concept of Internet of Things, some of the interesting examples of IoT devices that we see today are electric toothbrush. It analyzes your daily brushing patterns, which gets shown on the mobile dashboard. After every brushing session, the data automatically synchronizes to the smartphone. Weight measuring machines, it functions as a complete weight management system. It will check your BMIs. It will constantly again synchronize the data with the smartphone with the nice graphs and charts to show your weight trends over the period of time. Smart lock, it connects to the internet through a built-in Wi-Fi. It can be controlled from any device across the globe and sends notification when someone unlocks the door or if the door is not properly locked. Smartphone also can be accessed or shared with the family and friends. Again, these are a few of the examples, and there are many, many more such examples which are coming up, and the options are limitless. As per the recent IDC reports, Internet of Things will be $8.9 trillion market in 2020 and will have a compound annual growth rate of 7.9%. By 2020, approximately 212 billion things will be connected, including 30.1 billion connected autonomous things. In a nutshell, Internet of Things will change everything and be a new construct in the information and communication technology world. Looking at the market of Internet of Things, it is obvious for businesses to try capitalizing upon Internet of Things. However, for gaining IoT advantage, proper utilization of its three main components is required. The number one is cloud computing, number two is the big data, and number three is data security. Then only will the entrepreneurs be able to capture real-time data from the networks of connected sensors and create insights to improve their business. Gartner has named Internet of Things as the fifth driver of customer relationship management or CRM. Some of the auto manufacturers are now using IoT for telematics. It is now being used in healthcare, transportation, and logistics as well. Cisco states, in the age of IoT, there is a huge opportunity for companies who can collect data from these connected devices and can be tailored towards individual users. Similarly, when you talk about CRM and IoT things, the Internet of Things will present brands with new platforms for communicating with the customers. Using purchase history stored within a CRM system, a retail store will change prices on the fly for each customer. Based on customer preferences recorded by connected devices and uploaded to the CRM software, companies will now be able to adjust their messaging to specific target audiences. By tracking the history of each IoT device within a CRM database, companies will place a service call to consumer around the time that a device is predicted to fail. The combination of CRM and IoT won't change overnight. Gradually, as more connected devices are introduced in the market, the need for CRM software to store the data to be used in customer acquisition, optimization, and retention will continue to grow as well. Similarly to CRM and IoT, some of the other areas where the new application will also grow is the predictive modeling based applications. We talk about the sales forecast, product demand cycle, healthcare, customer behavior, and collaboration. With this, I end my presentation. Thank you for your time, and I believe through this presentation, it is quite obvious the evolution of Cloud 2.0 and mobile enterprise solutions and IoT. There will be a significant push for newer applications which will benefit consumers and business alike, and this is just the start. Thank you.